Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Thredup rescue box for you. Another one. Yes, another one. I was lucky enough when I ordered the men's rescue box to be able to get a shoe rescue box too. And let me tell you, I already peaked because I couldn't handle it. I got it yesterday and I couldn't film until today. I have no patience, y'all. No patience, none whatsoever. Couldn't handle it like a kid at Christmas. Couldn't wait till the next morning. It's just how I am. So I got too excited. I went through and I looked at all of the items before filming this. I know, I'm a turkey. What are you gonna do? So I got, I believe, 15 pairs. It cost me, $100. And it was, oh my goodness, it was so worth it. I am lucky, apparently, because I live in Utah and the items that I am getting are coming from Phoenix, Arizona. And from what I understand, that is a very, very good location to get Thredup boxes from. I got this giant box yesterday while I was gone. My son calls me and says, there's this giant box on the porch with blue dots. And it says Thredup on it, and I just about squealed while I was in the car. My husband's like, what are you doing? So I'm gonna start getting into this. Let me show you guys. Here's my box. Don't mind the messy floor. And as per usual, it has the normal tissue in it. And like I said, it was $100 for 15 pairs of women's shoes. I am super excited about this. Don't mind my crazy hair. Still trying to repair it from that perm that was such a bad idea. In the process of taking hair growth pills to try and get it to grow faster so I can grow the gray outs that I want to have and this artificial color out. So, all right, let's get into it, guys. Here's the blue dot paper. Some more. And let's start. So first is a brand I haven't heard of before. It's Attilio Gusti, the Umbruni. I really need to take like Italian or something. There we go. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. It seems like a very substantial piece, barely has any wear. I don't even know if someone wore these or if they just sat in their closet. They seem like a teak almost kind of style, and they have these amazing little studs on the toe. When I looked this up, I believe it was the sold comps were anywhere between 35 and 50, so those are good. Next is another pair of the same brand. And they're a little different. So these have kind of almost a ripstop look fabric on the front, and it's like a patent leather, and the rest is regular leather, and then it has this cute little buckle. These go for around the same amount, maybe a tiny bit more, because it seems like from what I could see on the solds that this style and all the different colors that they carry is a little more sought after. Those ones have sold more. And I couldn't actually find that one with the studs on the toes, but I did see these. So these will probably sell between 35 and 50 also. And they do have some funk inside. Can you see that? It's like toe jam or something. Yeah. I'm gonna have to wipe those out. Next is one that'll probably go for around the same amount. It's Munro, M-U-N-R-O, American. They're really soft. I mean, these are just so soft. I wish I don't think they're my size. Nope, they're a 10. They do have this snake skin kind of print and like a little low heel. So these are great sandals for the summer. 10 narrow. These are a 10 narrow. I'm glad I noticed that because otherwise I wouldn't have seen it. All right, next pair. And these are just ones that are from Target. but I only got a couple pairs that aren't like really nice, higher ones. So my feelings aren't hurt. So these are just a new day, and they're like a faux suede kind of taupe, block heel sandal, and they're actually an 8.5. They may fit me, and so if I decide that I like them, I may just keep them because a new day doesn't really sell very good for me. So I guess we'll see. Otherwise, I may list them at like $20, maybe get like 15 for them, if that. Next are amazing. They feel amazing. I've tried them on. They are ones I've never had before. These are Pedro Garcia, and they have this suede strap right here, and it's got Velcro right there, but it's obviously leather on the inside right here too, y'all. And oh my gosh, they feel amazing on. They're so soft. They hug the curve of your foot, and I can definitely see why they are more expensive. These, from what I can tell, should be able to get me around 50 to 75 for this specific pair. So I'm super excited about that. Next, about died. These were the last ones I saw. Ooh. Someone just bought something from my closet. That's why I was looking, because my notifications are sideways. These are the first ones I've ever gotten because I can't find them where I live. Tory Burch, y'all. Tory Burch. And these are just some basic like summer sandals with a little symbol right there. The comps actually aren't as good as you would think, just because they're just some normal sandals. They're not like the flats or anything that go for a little more money. And these are a size 6. The sold comps I did see on these were regularly around, it seemed, on an average about $30 sold. So still pretty good, especially considering I only paid $100 for all 15 pairs of these shoes. Okay, next item I have are just some Keds, and they have the perforated sides right here. They're in very good condition. They might need a tiny bit of cleaning up, like around here with like a magic eraser, and that's about it. Maybe a tiny bit of yellowing here and there, but they are a size 6, and even the soles are pretty good. They weren't worn very much. All right, next item definitely needs cleaned on the inside too. Someone just sent these off to Thredup without like cleaning them on the inside, like on the soles, and they're not gonna accept them like that, y'all. They don't wanna deal with people's foot funk. Really? So, here we are. These are 9 West. Really high cork wedge. They're like what? 1, 2, 3, like a 4-inch heel, maybe higher. They are a size 8. They do have this beautiful twisted leather piece right here with the ankle strap. So they're definitely a great piece. The bottom is in pretty good condition. So we'll probably put these up for like 25, and hopefully they'll sell. Next is a pair of boots with the little chain on the back. These are just some tall boots. I don't believe they're real leather. PU upper sock. I don't know what PU means, guys. PU. Meaning it stinks because you can tell they're not real leather. Anyway, these are just Madden Girl, and Steve Madden sells pretty good, but Madden Girl not so much. And these do have a good amount of heel drag right here. So these will probably just be getting listed for like maybe $15, and see if I can get a little bit of money out of them. Next, we have another brand that I've never been able to pick up where I live before. And these are Vince. You can see that. There is the bottom. So they do have a good amount of wear on the bottom, but these are some great suede pointed toe pumps. It looks like when I looked them up, they sell around $35. Not as much as I thought they would sell for, but still a good return. Next item is some more Madden Girl, and the red shoes that were in here definitely rubbed off on this. I don't know if I'll be able to get it off of there or not. You can see the reds here, but these are some Madden Girl suede, like platform style shoes. And they have the little zip up in the front. And let's see. I'm not sure what size they are. I can't see the size, y'all. If I find the size, I'll put it down below. That may be one of the reasons why they didn't keep them. That little bobble right there on the zipper though is definitely very fun. Next item we have are some American Eagle. Really cute, like summer cork wedge sandals with the sling back. And I love this little frilly detail right here. These I'll probably list at 15 to 20. Then we have some of the red shoes that probably rubbed color off on the other stuff. These are by Aldo, still has a tag down there. And these are a laser cut spike heel, peep toe, ankle boot. Really cute. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna list these ones for. I don't think I looked this one up. It does have a tag on the bottom for $90. So I think I'm probably gonna list these at $35 and try and get them to sell fast unless I find something a little different on when it comes to the sold comps and everything. And then I have two more pairs. These two I'm really excited about. These are a pair of rag and bone pointed toe ankle boots. The heel is very interesting because it tapers in here and here. It does have a little bit of wear on the bottom, but it has a zipper on the side. And I love that zipper detail. It's very neat. Here is the tag. It's very hard to see. There you go. Very small. So these look like they may go for around $55. I do need to kind of clean them up a little bit around the heel. They do have a bit of drag on them right here, but I do think I should be able to get at least $45 for these. They are full leather. And then the last pair for my 15-piece Thredup shoebox from Arizona is a brand that I still haven't found before in the wild. And they don't resell for as much as I thought they would, but they are Kate Spade, New York. See if you can see that a little better. And they are these satin heel, red suede, peep toe pumps. A little bit of wear on the bottom. They are a size 10 and they are beautiful, you guys. They are very beautiful. I was very excited when I saw them because it's not very often I find Kate Spade. Oh, I actually did find it in my last bins trip, but they were very, very worn and they are a size 8.5 and I'm a 9 and they were too big on me. So I think someone really stretched them out. So if you guys are excited about this thrift haul, go ahead and hit the thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? If you guys are new to my channel, just so you know, my name's Karen. I do resale hauls, I do what sold videos, I will be doing some tips and tricks videos that I'm working on right now that I will be recording in the next week or so. And I also do Ipsy unboxings. If you're new to my channel, you will really get to know the fact that I have 5 boys and a husband, and I have a crazy life. And my youngest will be in 1st grade next year, so it will be the first year that all of them will be in school all day long. And so I'm in kind of a new chapter of my life. I'm kind of dabbling in makeup and other things and reinventing myself and just having so much fun doing it. So please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite pair of shoes were. And if you've ever found any of these in the thrift store before, I'm really interested. I'm always curious about what other people find in different areas of the United States and other areas. So anyway, love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.